Hi first grade friends! We are going to work on CVC word practice today, and we're going to start with our sounds. My turn first, then your turn. A apple, ah. E egg, eh. I itch, I. O octopus, ah. U up, Let's practice some of our other sounds as well. Sound, 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 sound. Let's do some together. Ah, g, eh, n, I, y, v, k, ks, qu, j, d. Now it's time to read some words, and we're going to do that with some word chaining. So our first word says dig. Yes, dig. Now I'm going to change a sound to make a different word. What does our word say now? Yes, dip. Which sound did I change? Yes, we changed the last sound. Now I'm going to change another sound. Now the word says tip. Yes, tip. Which sound did I change? I changed the first sound. Now I've made a new word. Now the word says tap. Yes, tap. Which sound did I change? I changed the middle sound. Now I have a new word. The word says top. Yes, top. Which sound did I change? I changed the middle sound. Okay, now we have a new word. The word is pop. Yes, pop. Which sound did I change? I did change the first sound. Try this word. Pod. Yes, pod. Which sound did I change? I did change the last sound. What's my word? Nod. Nod. Yes. Which sound did I change? I changed the first sound. What's my word? Not. Yes, not. Which sound did I change? Yes, I changed the last sound. Now my word says got. Which sound did I change? I changed the first sound. Okay, so now we're going to write some words. My first word is tag. Say tag. Tap tag. Tag. There are 3 sounds in tag. Let's write the sounds as we say the letters. T, oops, g. Spell tag, T-A-G. Next word, say cot. Sounds in cot. K, t. We heard the k sound at the beginning of the word, and because there's an O, we're going to use the C at the beginning. Spell cot. C-O-T. Next word, say on. Tap on. On. There are two sounds in on. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. A-N. Spell on. O-N. On. Next word, say dig. Tap dig. D-ig. There are three sounds in dig. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. D-I-G. Spell dig. D-I-G. Dig. Let's write another word. Say top. Tap top. T-op. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. T-a. Spell top. T-O-P. Top. Now let's start at the top of our list and read the words all the way down and then back up. Ready? Word. Yes. Tag. Word. Yes. Cot. Word. Yes. On. Word. Yes. Dig. Word. Yes. Top. Let's read them going back up now. Word. Yes. Top. Word. Yes. Dig. Word. Yes. On. Word. Yes. Cot. Word. Yes. Tag. Okay, now it's time to read some phrases. First phrase, the one at the top. Go ahead and try and read that on your own. Let's read it together. First word, dig, dig, in, mud, mud, dig in mud. Let's read the next phrase. You try first. Let's read it together. Bug, bug, on, top, top. Bug on top. Now it's time for us to write some phrases. Okay, first phrase that you're going to write, I want you to try these on your own first. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. And then play it again to check your work. Our phrase is tap a pig. How many words are in our phrase? Tap a pig. There are 3 words. So go ahead and try writing the phrase tap a pig on your own. Like I said, pause the video if you need to, and then we'll check our work. Okay, tap is our first word. Sounds in tap. Tap. And our finger space. Or A, which is a sight word. Finger space. Sounds in pig. Pig. Let's read our work to check it. Tap a pig. Our next phrase is pat a dog. Take a minute to try writing the phrase tap a dog on your own, and then we'll check it together. How many words are in the phrase pat a dog? Pat a dog. There are 3 words in pat a dog. Let's try writing it. Sounds in pat, at, finger space, or a, or sight word, finger space. Sounds in dog, og. Let's reread it to check our work. Pat a dog.